Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're playing Roblox on computer. Yeah, I'm right here at the bottom left corner. Yeah, I just got a key card in here. Arrested me right there. I was doing smoke. What? I am ready. Wait, what did I get done? I wanted to get. Okay, yeah, I have nothing to live for. I won't. Yeah, nothing to live. That was actually pretty fun. Let's play a different game. This game is just. Nobody's letting them pickpocket them, and I pickpocket somebody every time. That time I got done. I wanted the other thing because I could have just went in that thing with the keycard and got a gun. God. Jailbreak is pretty good actually. Let's do with popular. I guess popular actually. I know you're popular game. Just get out of my life. Tell Jailbreak to get out. Whatever. Oh, if there was a game, like, I'm gonna... Basketball. Okay. No. No, plus I'm all in rehab, so... Nope. No, just 2017, I know nobody ever uses it. Oh, I really want that diamond playbook. No, I want at least the one, like, the 100,000 plaque, and I'll be happy. If I just keep making these videos, nobody's gonna like it. That's why I play on my phone sometimes. So I make you guys watch me on the PlayStation. Yeah, actually, yeah, okay. Just, yay. I've only been recording for 4 minutes. Oh, I know a bomb thing to do. I'll be right back. Be right there. Okay, okay. I'm back, guys. I'm back. I'm gonna record. while recording. To do my intro again. Guys, welcome back to another video. This is basically just going to be a video because I'm a little laptop. Dude, I'm trying to just find her. Who do I get? It's finally out. That's. I bet this is definitely. So guys, this video is going to go out after, like, just put you guys up. Oh, just say all faces. I could somewhat fit it, like, right here. That would be awesome. I'm just gonna keep you guys right here. Okay, so. I'm at first. This video's not even going out. Okay, guys, I just stopped that other video. It's not even going out. It's not really showing anything. It's just showing me. It's just going to go out. Let's turn on the volume. Not max, but you know what I mean. Oh, do you want to react to? Oh, guys, let me edit this. Oh, I'm just editing a picture. That's why I'm not doing it. Okay, guys. Oh, that's good. I just doodled in something. So, I don't know what we should do. Things, try something else. I just got a boot. Let's keep blocking every famous YouTuber. I don't want to get famous off of it. I just want to see everybody been doing it. So, yeah, everybody has been playing it. So, I'm going to check it out. See if I can find it. Tell me what it's called. In the comments below, I'll do this tomorrow. I'm going to try to start doing daily vlogs, but it's hard with school. So, I still have school. I'm only like 7. Actually, no, I am 8. Basically turning 8. Oh, I know the best tycoon ever. TYC. It's a Clash Royale one. It's really cool. And plus, it's just going to be in caps lock. Let me turn that off. God. Nothing is in that for caps lock. Nothing is in there. You can't even type cap. Take me. Oh, God. Here's the YouTube. I found the YouTube one I like. Why is there a Team 10 Tycoon? Oh, it's one of the. He is a good YouTuber, but. No, I'm just gonna say Clash Royale. Oh, sure. If I spell the Clash Royale. Yeah, I just don't know if I spell it wrong or right. Clash Royale Tycoon. Awesome. There's actually a line. Right here. I'm really sad, and I was gonna play Bricks Block Ron or whatever the name was, but it got taken down. Today I just got Fortnite. It's pretty fun, but I don't really like it. Is every time that I only play for like 9 minutes, or I might get killed at the start. Hey, Chris. Morning. I was trying to pull my tongue off. I don't know. I had something in my tongue and I pulled it. That wasn't a good experience. I didn't even do anything. Who stole my ego? Yeah, it feels good. I was just watching some music before this. And it said, "Who stole my key card?" The cop says, and I was like, it was him, and he's holding it in his hand. Oh, dang it. Guys, we're having some technical difficulties. I'm 13 minutes. I'm gonna have to record this. I'm gonna record this a part 2, okay, guys? So, what do I say? Okay, guys, so bye. Make sure to have a nice day. Like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, please. And then, yep, we're gonna have a part 2. It's coming up like maybe seconds after. So, if I can get this, if I can find, yep, okay, bye.